Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can edit text after typing it by selecting the Type tool you used to create the text. Then click into the text to place it into edit mode. Click and drag over the text you want to select within the text bounding box or within the lines of point text to highlight the text. Then use the buttons in the Tool Options bar to change the formatting of the selected text. There are also several other ways to select text after clicking into the text to place it into edit mode. You can choose Select All from the menu bar to select all the text in the layer. Also, just as when using word processing applications, you can double-click a single word to select it. You can triple-click a line of text to select it. You may also quadruple-click a paragraph to select it. Most of the traditional methods of text selection can also be applied to text layers.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.